Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We're just finishing off the night. We're going up Jaime Avenue. We are officially out of sweets. Very loud bin truck.
You want the back bin?
Yeah. So happy Halloween, guys.
Feliz Halloween.
Feliz Halloween. I hope that you enjoyed Marcus's live earlier. So that bar does appear to have some Halloween decorations. The shops are shut now.
On our main famous hit, probably 11, maybe even later. Yeah, I think they are.
Got the demon.
Scurry is still going. He is still flashing.
Scully has done well tonight. Do you want to show them who Scully is?
There he is, guys. Scully. We've had him on last night, lit up all night. We've had him on again tonight, all lit up, and he's still going strong. Always the big dogs that are scared of the little dogs. Never understand why. Ow, ow, ow.
Vamos. So it's a lot quieter up on Jaime than it was
What, in town?
in town and on the Rincon. Oi! Kids! If anybody wishes to adopt him, please drop me a message down below in the comments.
Any single ladies wish to adopt me, you mean?
Did you see that? We've been seeing flashes all night. There is lightning about.
Or fireworks.
Pull that lever out a wee bit. Just push it forward, my brake, gently. That'll do. Forward, it's alright.
You can't push it forward.
Yeah, as I said, we have been seeing some lightning flashes.
Or fireworks.
I don't think the fireworks, I do think the lightning.
Well,
Of course, there is meant to be more weather coming in. Mainly like for the Alicante and more weather for the Valencian area, yes.
if it's lightning, where's the thunder?
It's just a lightning storm. You can just have lightning storms.
Why can I? like a beauty ball or something.
Little baby doll's crib, can't really see it. We have some trick or treaters, looking fabulous.
They haven't got any sweets there.
No. Take it off if you...
Giving out my jellies.
What jellies?
Them jellies you bought me.
If you're struggling, take it off.
Yeah, good job.
These masks are very, very warm. I was a killer clown last night. If you saw Marcus's videos live last night, and believe me, it was really warm in that mask. And it was actually, with me breathing, it was creating condensation in there, which was even worse. Yeah.
And me light up one last night.
More trick-or-treaters.
I think like the neon on that were just giving me a bit of a bad head. Just go quick.
I can't see.
No, you're
Nobody
not
in
going
there.
trick-or-treating in a Chinese restaurant. It's asking them to give you a bowl of hot, I don't know, prawn crackers.
Oh yeah, I could eat some corn crackers.
Have some supper when we get home, maybe? Yeah.
Maybe. Maybe just, as it's computer with curtains, as it's computer work tonight, so maybe have a slightly later night.
Right.
It's very, very quiet down here.
Up here.
Up here, down here, round here.
Wonder what Dad's been doing.
Of course, there is one thing about all of this makeup. I've got to try and get it off.
That sounds like a you problem, that Mum.
Thank God I've got some makeup remover.
Did we not say to Dad that we'd only be like a couple hours?
Alright.
And we've been out like 5 hours?
Don't know. Maybe about 4. Ugh. I'm surprised how many people have come out tonight and got dressed up. There's absolute loads.
Tons.
Has been a brilliant night. Fantastic atmosphere as well.
Best night ever.
Seen lots and lots of people. Made some new followers. Or met some new followers, hopefully. More trick and treaters. Look fabulous.
Wow, are we back? lot, and I'll see you later on following time.
Go on then. So I'm sure that people will be out a lot later than us. Trick-or-treating.
Just having fun. Wonder if there's that's in her bar.
Espérate, tú no te puedes ir, aguántate. No puedes irte. Aguántate, espérate, déjame tirar una foto contigo, ¿puedes? La mujer diablo. Mamá, ya, estoy con la monja que chupa sangre. Espera, ahora sí, estoy con la monja que chupa sangre. Y mira con qué estoy, con hermía. Ay, madre. Ahora sí.
De nada. Halloween, feliz Halloween.
Lo bueno y lo malo, lo bien y lo inmenso. Madre mía. De maravilla. ¿Qué están disfrazados? Mierda, los marcianos, vamos para allá.
And we thought it was going to be quiet.
Quick question.
What?
Any idea that anything they're saying
No.
makes two of us?
But I think we're going to their party.
I don't even know that they are aliens or
Yeah.
Ninja Turtles.
So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you really enjoyed tonight's videos. Happy Halloween or Feliz Halloween.
Oh, glad Halloween, as I say in Sweden.
Yeah.
Glad Halloween.
So good night.